In PF mode, only the pan axis follows the movements of the grip, while the tilt axis and roll axis will not follow. This is suitable for horizontal camera movements, such as circling a subject, left and right movements. In PTF mode, both the pan and tilt axes follow the movements of the grip, and the roll axis will not follow. This is suitable for shooting diagonally. In FPV mode, all three axes follow the movements of the grip. The mode is normally used for flipping shots. In custom mode, you can manually set any axis to follow. When in 3D Roll 360, the gimbal will tilt 90 degrees and the camera will face straight upward. Then, you can control the joystick to rotate the pan axis 360 degrees to create a time tunnel effect.